let me see the IUPAC name and common name. IUPAC name and common name of haloalkanes. So now let me see the first one. So if you want to write the IUPAC name, we have to give the numbering to the main chain. For writing IUPAC name, we have to give the numbering to the main chain. While we are giving the numbering, so first we have to give the first priority to the halogen. So इसका मीनिंग है halogen अटैच्ड कार्बन से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करना. सो इसमें लेफ्ट साइड से नंबरिंग नहीं देना, राइट साइड से नंबरिंग देना है. So while we are writing the numbering, we have to give the priority so to the halogen attached carbon. So this name is the 1-bromo. 1-bromo. So propane. What is this name? 1-bromo propane. Because first position bromine is there, so that's a 1-bromo. So total 3 carbons are there, so that's a propane. 1-bromo propane. So next to second one. So second position bromine is there, so that's why that is the 2-bromo. 2-bromo. So propane. What is that? 2-bromo propane. So second position bromine is present, so that's why there is a 2-bromo propane. So what is the difference between the first one and second one? So both compound contains same number of carbon, but difference is the halogen position is the different. In first one, so halogen is present in the first position. So next one, halogen is present in the second position. So that is the difference between the first and second one. Means halogen position is different. So that's why the first and second also we can say isomers. So that isomers is nothing but if two compounds, if any two compounds contain same molecular formula but differs in the substitution position or structure, so then we can say simply isomers. So here bromine position is different, but both contain same number of carbons, hydrogen and halogen. So that's why these two are the isomers. So these two are the IUPAC names. Now let me see the common name. So first one common name is the N propyl bromide. N propyl bromide. What is that? N propyl bromide. So if carbon chain is straight chain, means there is no branching and halogen is present in the first position, in common name we can use the N. N is nothing but normal chain. If halogen is attached to the first carbon and there is no branching, in common name we can use the N. So total 3 carbons are present, so that's a pro. So common name we can add the YL. So next to bromine we can write it as a bromide. So in common name, so N is the normal chain, total 3 carbons are present, pro. Common name we can add the YL, alkyl group. Next to bromine we can write it as a bromide, N propyl bromide. So next to common name is the isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide. So why we are saying iso means if the halogen attached carbon, so left and right side same number of carbons are present, means same branching is present, then we can say iso in common name. So अगर हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड कार्बन को क्लोज करके लेफ्ट राइट नहीं तो दोनों साइड इक्वल नंबर ऑफ अल्काइल ग्रुप रहने तो कॉमन नेम में आइसो वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इसमें ये लेफ्ट राइट सेम, लेफ्ट साइड भी एक कार्बन है, राइट साइड भी एक कार्बन है, मतलब CH3 ग्रुप है, सेम ब्रांचिंग है, इसलिए कॉमन नेम में आइसो वर्ड यूज किया था. सो N propyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, so that is the common name. So next one, so for writing this one we have to expand the structure. So CH3 twice means one CH3 is the straight chain, another CH3 we have to write it on a branching. Next to right side CH2 Br. So that is one third one. For writing the same IUPAC name, we have to give the numbering. So while we are giving the numbering, we have to start from the halogen attached carbon. 1, 2, 3. So first position bromine is present. So that's why that is the 1 bromo. First position bromine is present. So that's why that is the 1 bromo. So second position methyl is present. So that's why that is the 2 methyl. 2 methyl. 2 methyl. So total 3 carbons are present. So that's why that is the propane. So first position bromine is present, 1 bromo. Second position methyl is present, 2 methyl. Total 3 carbons are present, propane. 1 bromo, 2 methyl, propane. That is the IUPAC name. Next, if you want to write the common name, so here, so equal branching is present. So मतलब up to second carbon तक हम लोग close करने तो इसमें equal branching है, CH3 equal branching है, इसलिए इसमें भी कॉमन नेम है आइसो वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. सो आइसो एंड यू हैव टू काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स 1 2 3 4. सो व्हाइल काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स यू हैव टू इंक्लूड द ब्रांचिंग आल्सो. सो मींस दैट CH3 आल्सो यू हैव टू इंक्लूड इन द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स 1 2 3 4. टोटल 4 कार्बन्स आर प्रेजेंट. 4 means that is a but. In common name we can use the YL. Isobutyl. So bromine is present, that's why there is a bromide. Isobutyl bromide. So equal branching is present, so that's why we can use the iso. Total 4 carbons are present, but. Common name we can use the word YL. So bromine is present, bromide. Isobutyl bromide. So this one also you have to expand the structure. For expansion of the structure, you have to write the first carbon. Next to CH3 taken 3 means one CH3 you have to write it in a straight chain. So remaining 2 CH3 in branching. One is the above the position, another one is the below the position. Next to right side carbon is there. So means that the bromine is present. So this is the bromine. Clear? So इसका structure expand करने के लिए पहले ब्रैकेट वाला छोड़ के नेक्स्ट वाला से स्टार्ट करना. नेक्स्ट वाला कार्बन है, पहला कार्बन लिख दिया था. CH3 टेकन 3 में एक CH3 स्ट्रेट चेन में लिख दिया था, बाकी दोनों CH3 ब्रांचिंग में लिख दिया था. सो अब इसमें IUPAC नेम लिखने के लिए नंबरिंग देना. सो नंबरिंग देने के लिए नंबरिंग ऐसे देने तो ये वाला नंबरिंग गलत होएगा. सो क्योंकि सो व्हाइल वी आर गिविंग द नंबरिंग, द मेन चेन शुड हैव द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स. Main chain should have the maximum number of carbons. So if you are giving numbering like that, so main chain contains only 2 carbons. So otherwise if you are giving the numbering from like this, so main chain contains 3 carbons. So that's why you have to follow the numbering in the top to bottom, means vertically you have to give the numbering. So second position methyl is present, bromine is present. So first you have to write the bromo. 2 bromo 2 methyl. 2 bromo 2 methyl. So total 3 carbons are present, so that's why that is the propane. So second position bromine is present, 2 bromo. Second position methyl also there, 2 methyl. Total 3 carbons are there, so that's why propane. 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. So now we have to write the common name. So for writing the common name, this carbon is directly attached to 3 carbons. This carbon is directly attached to 3 carbons. So means that is we can write it as a tertiary. Tertiary, we need to write the full name TERT. Tertiary. So this is the tertiary carbon. Total 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons means that is the but. Common name YL. Tertiary butyl bromine bromide. What is that? Tertiary butyl bromide. So bromine attached carbon. So if you consider this carbon, so this carbon is directly attached to 3 carbons. This one, and this one. So total 3 carbons are there. So that's why this is the tertiary carbon. Total 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 carbons are there. So that's a but. Common name we can add the YL. Tertiary butyl. So that is a bromine, we can write it as a bromide, tertiary butyl bromide. So next to this one. So here only one carbon is present. So this benzene ring, this is the aromatic ring. Aromatic ring, we can use the word phenyl. So bromine, we can write it as a bromo. So this one is the bromo phenyl. So bromo phenyl. So this is the bromine, this is the phenyl ring. So bromo phenyl. So this is the one carbon is present, methane. Bromo phenyl methane. So this is the bromine, this is the phenyl ring. So bromine is present, that's a bromo. Benzene, we can write it as a phenyl ring, one carbon is present, methane. Bromo phenyl methane. So the common name is the benzyl. This common name is the benzyl. So if benzene is directly attached to CH2 carbon, we can use the word benzyl. Benzene is different, benzyl is different. So C6H6 is the benzene. So if benzene is directly attached to CH2, then we can say benzyl in common name. So benzyl, this is the bromine, benzyl bromide, benzyl bromide. So if phenyl ring directly attached to CH2 carbon, which is directly attached to bromine ring, in common name we can use the word benzyl. So this common name is the very important. Instead of IUPAC name, the common name is the very important. So this benzyl bromide. Next to this common name also important, that is the tertiary butyl bromide. So this is the simple IUPAC name of haloalkanes. So here you have to remember that what is N, what is iso, next to tertiary benzyl. So N is the, if straight chain is present, there is no branching, then we can use the word N. So if equal branching is present, in common name we can use the word iso. Next to tertiary, if the carbon is directly attached to three similar carbons, so or three carbons, then we can use the common name tertiary. If phenyl ring is attached to CH2 carbon, then we can use the word benzyl.